Hello guys, December 30, 2024. May Pilipina na naman tayo dito namatay guys, pinatay ng Kuwaiti. Hindi pa tapos yung issue natin about that Pilipina na pinatay na yung bata, nilagay sa washing machine. Meron na naman tong issue na bago ngayon. Pero this incident is last 2 months, hindi pa kasi to na-confirm. Last 2 months na natagpuan tong bangkay ni Kabayan doon sa garden. So na-confirm na ngayon talaga na Pilipina talaga siya. And that happened daw na nag-aaway sila. So itong lalaki, doon niya binaling yung galit niya sa Pilipina, kaya napatay niya. Yun. Kaya namatay si Kabayan. Condolence to the family and rest in peace, Kababayan. So, itong nakapatay na Kuwaiti, may kaso, may marami palang kaso dito. Hindi ko maisip kung bakit binigyan pa to ng katulong eh. Bakit binigyan pa to ng katulong? Bakit binibigyan pa ng mga ganito, ng mga Kuwaiti na may mga kaso? Hindi ko mag-gets bakit ganun. Bakit nakakalusot tong mga ganito? Oh my God. So, guys, back to the story last 2 days ago when I was posting about that the Pilipina na pinatay na yung bata, nilagay sa washing machine, guys. I just wanna apologize, guys, to the people I irritates your demons. I get a bad comment on TikTok and Facebook. I'm sorry. I got lesson to learn of that, and I have and I know my mistake, and I listen to learn to my mistakes when I read your comment. So your opinion is I need it, so that I know what is my mistake. And tao lang, di ba? Nagkakamali. Sorry. So si Kababayan pala nakasuhan na. Yung kaso niya is ang kaso niya is kasuhan na sa Kuwait ng premeditated murder si Kabayan. Diba? And I got information a little from the what is this, from the blogger, my idol, from the popular blogger is name is Torian Juan. Hi idol, I love you. Salute idol, ang galing-galing mo mag-discuss about that about the issue. Maano talaga ba yung detalye siya, idol. So I'm sorry, and I got this screenshot. This is all your information. So I want to share it. Ito yung yung Pilipina pala is have 3 son, no? May 3 anak siya. Age 22 and 18-year-old and 11 years old. Okay. And paminsan-minsan lang niya ang di niya nakakausap yung ano niya, husband niya. So, nag-stay siya dito sa Kuwait ng 9 years since nag-vacation pa siya since 9 years who has not gone back to the Philippines since 2018. Is reportedly scheduled to go home by March 2025 according to her eldest daughter. So, magbabakasyon pala si Pilipina ngayong March 2025. So, suddenly hindi matutuloy, no, kasi nakakulong na siya, no. And bago pa pala yung nangyari yung incident, no, ni kababayan, the mother said that they have not since said anything wrong about the OFW except that the OFW said that she was taking medication for hair. Medication. Okay, where is it? Medication for hair, cough. According to the mother, said that the OFW mentioned is the one of calls that OFW heard her employer, sir and madam, that itatapon daw ako ng amo ko. Grabe, no? And the mother added to that before the incident, the day before the alleged murder, her employer allowed to spend her day off to attempt birthday celebration of a friend, a certain. So, bago pa pala to nangyari, pina-off pa si kabayan. Nag-attend pa siya ng mga birthday, no? So, suddenly, pagkatapos nun, nangyari. Diba? So, guys, under investigation pa naman ang nangyari doon sa itong si kababayan natin. Kung ano talagang exact na detalye na nangyayari. Hindi natin alam, guys, no? Kaya mahirap din talaga mag-judge. Kasi hindi natin alam. Kasi 9 years, imagine, na kaya niya. Minatrato din siya ng amo daw niya sa 9 years. Diba? So, ang nangyayari, doon niya nilagay yung galit niya doon sa bata. No? Ang masaklat doon niya nilagay. And then, ayun, napatay yung bata, no? So, hindi pa natin alam talaga kung ano talagang nangyari kasi nakakulong na si kabayan. Hindi natin alam kung ano talagang the truth. Hindi natin alam kung anong the truth, no? So, ganun na lang talaga, no? Kaya mahirap din talaga tayong humusga. Huwag lang tayong humusga dahil kasi kawawa naman si kabayan. Hindi natin alam kung anong pinagdaanan niya sa loob, anong situation niya, kaya niya nagawa yun. And then the other of the issue about that the kababayan natin pinatay, ang kababayan natin ng Kuwaiti. Hindi yung makaturungan, no? Kawawa yung Pilipina natin, no? Under investigation pa naman din until now. So, na-confirm na talaga na Pilipina. So, nagkakataon talaga na sabay talaga sila, no? Sabay silang nag-boom. Sabay sila ngayon na issue. Nga, na issue na ngayon lang talaga na confirm na Pilipina talaga itong napatay. 'Di ba? So sad naman. So sad sa nangyari. So guys, if you have a comment, comment down below, and thank you. And I hope you have a lot of information from me, guys.